Can you really trust a fintech company with your hard-earned money? It's a question we've all asked, especially as digital platforms like Airwallex become more and more central to how we do business. You see, it's not like the old days of a physical bank where you could walk in and see the vault. Now, everything is online, and the security of your funds feels a little more abstract. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty and answer the big question: is your money truly safe with Airwallex? First, let's clarify what Airwallex actually is. It's not a traditional bank. It's a global fintech company that provides a powerful financial infrastructure for businesses. They help companies with things like international payments, foreign exchange, and managing their finances across different countries. Think of it as a financial operating system for global businesses. This distinction is crucial because it means they operate under a different regulatory framework than your local bank. So, how do they protect your money? Airwallex holds licenses and is regulated in every jurisdiction they operate in, and these regulations are strict. For example, in the UK, they are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. In the US, they are regulated by various state and federal agencies. This isn't just a formality, it means they have to follow specific rules designed to protect customer funds. One of the most important rules is known as safeguarding. Safeguarding is a key concept here. Instead of your money being mixed in with Airwallex's own operational funds, it's held in segregated accounts with Tier 1 banks. These are major, globally recognized banks. This separation means that even in the unlikely event that Airwallex were to face financial difficulties, your money is protected. It can't be used to pay off Airwallex's creditors. It remains your money, safe and sound, ready to be returned to you. This is a massive reassurance, as it essentially ring-fences your funds from the company's own financial health. Beyond safeguarding, Airwallex also employs some serious tech to keep your account secure. We're talking two-factor authentication, biometric logins, and continuous fraud monitoring. They're basically using state-of-the-art security measures to prevent unauthorized access to your account. This is the kind of protection you'd expect from any major financial player, and Airwallex takes it very seriously. They understand that in the digital world, a breach of trust is a breach of business. So, the safety of your money with Airwallex comes down to three key pillars: robust regulation and licensing in every country they operate in, the principle of safeguarding where your funds are held separately in major banks, and sophisticated, up-to-the-minute cybersecurity measures. When you combine these three, you have a very compelling case for the security of your funds. It's not just a promise, it's a system of checks and balances designed to protect you, the customer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.